Hi guys, in this video we are going to see the HTML layout, like no styling, so we can just delete the styles.css. Like if you didn't create, you can just create the index.html page. So now we'll just set up our index.html page. I'll keep it HTML5 layout, and I already have live server running. So then first we're going to see the header tag. So the header tag will appear on the top of the page. So here we'll have h1 like business name, whatever, some name, and then you can have nav in the header, or then this will always be at the top, and footer, depending upon the page how much height, like that it'll be like, so it will be that much bottom, business name, yeah, so that. And then so nav you already learned, we can give separately also nav, like that. I have one video about how to do, like, keep navs. Then we have the article. This will act as a container for any section of a page that could stand alone. So article, we can have h2 coding. Okay, just something. Coding is one of the languages, something, I don't know. Yeah, so it's gonna like stand aside. You won't see right now, like it could be separate. Then aside, there's an aside tag. This aside has like two purposes, whether it is in a article or not. When it is used in an article element, it should contain information that is related to the article. When it is outside the article element, it will act as a container for content that is related to the entire page. So if it's not, it has content which is acts as a container for content which is related to the entire page. And now we have this sections. So you can have section for headings, only all headings will be like that. Then you can have section for all paragraphs, but that's not good way. Okay, so p, and yeah, you can have sections like hero section, the main part of the page, like that. And then heading groups, h group, okay, sorry, h group, h1 hi. So this is a heading group tag. And then we have already learned the figure and fig caption tag. And then div, we have learned, like for div, we can like section elements, kind of like a section tag. Yeah, and then so these are some of the new tags which we have learned. In the next video we will do a project, like a website. So see you in the next video. Bye guys.